What if the most reliable SUV on the road isn't the one everyone's bragging about, but the one they ignore? There's a single mom who paid just $28,000 for her SUV. Over 215,000 miles later, she hasn't faced a single major repair. No breakdown horror stories, no expensive surprises, just consistent, everyday reliability. And yet, when people hear what she drives, they laugh, because the brand is known for being boring. But boring might be the smartest choice you can make. In this video, we're breaking down overlooked SUVs that are quietly dominating in long-term durability. Some are hitting 300,000 miles with ease. One has a cult following among drivers who rack up extreme mileage every year, and another performed so well it forced multiple retests just to confirm the results. While everyone else is chasing status, these SUVs are built to last. Number 5. Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. On paper, this shouldn't work as well as it does. You've got an electric motor, battery pack, regenerative braking system, and a gasoline engine all working together. In most cases, that level of complexity leads to more potential failure points over time. But Toyota didn't reinvent the wheel here, they refined it. This hybrid system has been tested across multiple models for years, building a track record in real-world conditions with hundreds of thousands of miles behind it. That's why this SUV performs so consistently. Owners report minimal battery degradation, smooth transitions between electric and gas power, and a drivetrain that just keeps going without issues. It's not just about reliability, it's about efficiency. The system is designed to reduce strain. The electric motor supports the engine when needed, preventing constant stress and extending the life of key components. According to Consumer Reports, it scores an outstanding 79 in reliability. But more importantly, that performance translates into real savings. It retains around 72% of its value after 3 years, while also delivering lower fuel costs and fewer repair bills. This is where smart engineering meets long-term value. Number 4. Subaru Forester. Subaru hasn't been chasing flash or hype for the past decade. They've been quietly building some of the most dependable vehicles on the road. The Forester isn't the most powerful, the most luxurious, or the most high-tech SUV here. But Consumer Reports doesn't crown winners based on spec sheets. They rank real-world reliability, safety, owner satisfaction, and long-term value, and that's where the Forester dominates. Every Forester comes standard with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive. No upgrades, no add-ons. It's always on, constantly adjusting to road conditions before you even notice a loss of traction. That alone puts it ahead of most rivals. The upright, boxy design isn't about style, it's about function. Visibility is outstanding, interior space is maximized, and confidence behind the wheel is immediate. Parking, lane changes, and tight roads all feel easier because you can actually see around you. Inside, the Forester is refreshingly straightforward. Materials are durable, controls are intuitive, and the seats are comfortable for long drives. Cargo space is excellent, the rear seats fold flat, and standard roof rails make it a favorite for outdoor lifestyles. The naturally aspirated boxer engine won't win drag races, but it's efficient, reliable, and paired with a low center of gravity that gives the Forester stable, predictable handling. Consumer Reports ranks the Forester number 1, thanks to exceptional predicted reliability, top-tier safety scores, and some of the highest owner satisfaction in the industry. Pricing starts in the mid-20,000s, with fully loaded models staying under $40,000. It's not flashy, and that's exactly why it wins. Number 3. Subaru Crosstrek. The Subaru Crosstrek, a small SUV that punches far above its weight. In the subcompact category, few vehicles offer this mix of capability and value. Consumer Reports gives the Crosstrek an 82 predicted reliability score, and its hardware explains why. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance and standard all-wheel drive, it can handle rough roads and light trails that stop many larger crossovers. That's a big reason younger buyers gravitate toward it. It supports an active lifestyle without crushing monthly payments. Its compact footprint makes city driving and tight parking easy, yet on weekends it's perfectly comfortable heading to trailheads or campsites. Inside, Subaru uses space efficiently. The front seats are supportive for long drives, the rear seats are usable for shorter trips, and the cargo area easily handles groceries, sports gear, or camping equipment. The dashboard is dominated by an 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen with clear navigation, smartphone integration, and Subaru Starlink services for emergency assistance and vehicle monitoring. Fuel economy comes in around 33 miles per gallon on the highway, impressive for an AWD vehicle with real ground clearance. Power from the base engine is sufficient, though passing on two-lane roads requires some patience. Safety remains a strong point, with standard eyesight features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure alerts. The Crosstrek delivers efficiency and versatility, but for some buyers, even better fuel savings may still be the next priority. Number 2. Honda CR-V. Sitting at number 2 is the Honda CR-V, the SUV that finally pushed the Toyota RAV4 out of the top spot. After years of back and forth, the latest CR-V pulls ahead with sharper handling, stronger standard safety tech, and excellent efficiency, reaching around 30 miles per gallon combined. But here's the part that really grabs attention. Some early 2000s CR-Vs are still on the road today with close to 500,000 miles on the clock. That's hundreds of thousands of miles of daily driving, road trips, and real-world use without needing a major rebuild. Very few vehicles anywhere can claim that kind of longevity. Insurers love it too. With an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating, the CR-V often comes with lower insurance premiums than riskier competitors like the Jeep Cherokee or Ford Escape. That means real savings month after month, and when it's time to move on, resale value stays high. Honda's long-standing reputation for reliability keeps demand strong, protecting owners from heavy depreciation. In the end, the CR-V proves a key point. Practical doesn't have to be dull. It's efficient, safe, comfortable, and engineered to last for decades. Number 1. Honda HR-V. Taking the number 1 spot is the Honda HR-V, the smaller sibling to the CR-V that quietly delivers the same rock-solid dependability. Its size might be compact, but its reputation for reliability is anything but. Backed by Honda's proven engineering, owners regularly see 150,000 to 200,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. Because it's lighter and smaller than the CR-V, the HR-V also delivers excellent fuel economy, reaching up to 34 miles per gallon on the highway, while still earning Honda's strong safety ratings. That combination makes it especially attractive for daily commuting and long-term ownership. Insurance companies are fans as well. Lower repair costs after accidents help keep insurance premiums down, making the HR-V one of the most affordable SUVs to own over time. It may not be the most powerful option in the segment, but for everyday driving, weekend trips, and stress-free reliability, power isn't the point. And just like the CR-V, resale value remains strong. When it's time to upgrade, depreciation won't hit nearly as hard. That wraps up our list of SUVs you can truly trust, vehicles built to last, save money, and keep delivering year after year.